Hi everyone, welcome to the Fooducate demo for mobile phone from See Yourself Health. So we're going to start by logging into the App Store. I was using an iPhone, so I logged into the Apple App Store where I navigated to the search engine and typed in Fooducate since that's the app that we're looking to download. Fooducate was the first thing to come up, so I'm going to click on Get, which will begin the download process for the app to my iPhone. Here we're waiting for the app to install. It's a pretty quick process, and then it appears on my phone screen where I can click into the app. For new users, you may have to insert some demographic information, but then it'll ultimately drop you on your home page. This is the tracker page showing you your caloric information for the day. So you can see that I've inserted a scrambled egg for breakfast and 2 cups of water. And then Fooducate generates an average food grade for the foods that I'm eating, as well as a nutritional analysis for the foods that I've eaten today. I can click the caret to show even more of that nutritional information. And I can scroll down to see further information like total carbs, carb breakdown, and then the area where I can add my water consumption. As you can see, I added a 3rd cup of water. Scrolling back up, I am just practicing editing my food details for today. Here I'm going to click in and show you how you can add something for snack or even lunch or dinner later. So here I'm typing in apple and peanut butter, which is a snack that I had. Hitting search, and I see Wawa apple peanut butter dippers pop up. So I click that. I had 1, so I'm going to adjust to snack. And then you can see it's about 12:12, so I left that timestamp, although I could adjust it. And now it appears as a snack on my food information for today. And then you can see my average food grade has adjusted, as has the nutritional analysis for all of my food so far today. Scrolling back up, this just brings us to the top of the tracker, and you can see how many calories I have left today. Now we're going to navigate to the scanner on the bottom left of your screen. I've selected 3 foods in my house, and we're going to practice scanning their barcodes. So this is Campbell's chicken noodle soup. As soon as I scan the barcode, you can see it prompts me to this page where I'm given a ton of great information. So I can see some calorie information, and I can even click on the kind of warning that it gives me, and it gives me a rating of C. And then I'm given some warnings with exclamation points that I can click the carets on the right to read more about. So I clicked the one about how the soup is salty and the warning that the soup is highly processed. So now I'm going to exit out, and I'm going to click Show Healthier Options, where Fooducate actually gives me a ton of healthier alternatives to this soup that I could select going forward. Going back to my scanner, I'm going to select another food. So I've got Jif creamy peanut butter. Here I scan the barcode, and I'm going to run through the same process. So I'm going to click View More, and I'm going to check out the rating of C+, worse than average. Similarly, I could click into any of these warnings, the red ones or the gray ones, before I click out. I'm also going to scroll down to show all of the nutritional information and the breakdown that the app actually gives me, as well as the ingredient information. There's also the option to add this food if I were to eat them today. Back to my scanner. I'm going to scan my last food, which is these whole green beans from Del Monte. Scan that barcode, and voila, we have all of the caloric information again, as well as that rating. So I'm going to click View More, which shows me that this is worse than average, but gives me a pretty solid B rating for these canned green beans. Again, scrolling down, I can view the caloric information and nutritional information breakdown for this can of Del Monte green beans, as well as those ingredients. Then there are, of course, healthy alternatives that Fooducate recommends. So I can scroll through these to see maybe what I would choose next time I go to the grocery store. Now I'm back in my scanner, and I want to show you how to navigate back to the home page by clicking the tracker button at the bottom bar of your screen. And here we are back on the Fooducate homepage, where I can see all of my information that I started with, and I can constantly update this throughout the day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please reach out to See Yourself Health with any questions.